What's up? So we are at Topeka. We're at my warehouse. We got some new shorts coming out next week, so I wanted to get some specialty shirts done with it. So we're gonna go ahead and bleach some and show you what that process looks like.
Banned in the USA. Yep. It's pretty good.
It's got the nasty thing on the back. So.
Oh no. Strange times we're living in.
Yeah.
Strange.
See, the issue with this is you end up with like lines, right?
Yes.
So what about if we find that's a huge hole in that sucker?
I know.
We might have to take like a. So we're test spraying a couple shirts to kind of match our new goat shorts that are coming out. Turned out a reference point.
Yeah, they look good.
I dig them, and I dig the new
Yes.
pistols. So they're trying to be more like this. is the goal.
I think this guy's, that's the look you want.
Turn, you fuck.
Well, that's not coming up too fast. That might be okay.
Be all right. I'm trying to figure out the since we have a couple hundred things to do, it's trying to figure out like, it's easy to do one shirt.
Well, yeah.
And no matter what, however you want to do it. It's when you have a couple hundred, not spending 2 minutes per shirt.
Yes.
Okay, so the hat doesn't bleach at all.
The hat refuses to bleach.
Did you try pure?
Doesn't give a shit, yeah.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
So that's one less thing.
So we don't have to bother with those hats. They'll just smell like bleach.
We can do.
Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Does it sound like fun? You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder.
See if even the shitty amount of sunlight we have today will help.
I want to be silly, baby, dance the night away. I'll kick my shoes off if I want. Let yourself be free and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it. Baby, let your head down, be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off, you don't have to hide it. Baby, let your head down, be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off, don't hide it. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder.
bleached shirts, bleached hoodies. Really stoked with how they all look. Good day. Excited to be able to get over here and help and do this hands-on. Hope you guys dig what we have. Hope you guys dig the new stuff coming out. And I want to say thank you guys again for supporting Hate Brain Goods through a very, very weird time in history with the stay-at-home bit and this viral thing. So we're working hard to try to continue to make unique items that are worth your time and worth your money. We really do appreciate it. Thank you guys, and thank you for allowing us to continue to make stuff for you. Hope you enjoy it. Spread hate. Always fun.
What a good time looks like. You can do better. You can do better. Let me show you what